Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, the Travlin Prof. Today's word of the day in Russian is the word for plate, and that is pronounced
тарелка,
тарелка. That was really bad. Тарелка. Re, re, re.
Okay, and now say тарелка.
Тарелка. Тарелка. Тарелка.
Yeah, correct.
Okay, so the difficulty with the word for plate, and I'm not 100% sure I'm going to say it right this time, тарелка, is that the E is actually a soft sounding vowel here. And when you combine that with an R, the re is very difficult for an English speaker to say. One more time, let's see if I say it right. Тарелка. And I messed up. Тарелка.
тарелка,
Тарелка. All right. The Russian word of the day, plate. See if you can say it. If you say it right, leave a comment down below. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. We're going to release another word of the day tomorrow. But until then, get curious and start digging.
тарелка, тарелка.